Hello dear viewer, just like me you probably hate hiccups, and interestingly my last video made me think of making this one. So after watching this one, please view my previous video because it may actually save your life or someone else's life. So here's the simplest and effective method to stop hiccups. And be sure to view this short video to the end because of one important detail. And please do exactly as I'm describing. When those annoying hiccups attack you, take a very deepest breath and hold it. Hold it inside until you must breathe. Exhale and again take the deepest breath and hold it in until you must breathe. And just keep doing this. You will notice that after 3 or 4 of these, the hiccups are gone. All it takes is a minute or two, I guess, and you don't need to do anything else at this moment. However, why do hiccups happen? It's because of mineral imbalance in the body. Please go to a supermarket and buy blackstrap molasses. Sometimes they call it cooking molasses, just because it's an excellent source of many naturally occurring minerals, and it costs only $2 or $3, which lasts a few long months. And if you add a teaspoon of it here and there to things like morning cereal or to your porridge or your soup, doesn't really change taste in any way significantly. Or your milkshake, or mix it in with your cookie recipe, or maybe even try to carefully sweeten your coffee with it. Anyway, rarely hiccups can be caused by other things, and you should see your doctor if this method doesn't help you and nothing else helps you. I don't claim any originality here, but I've used this method to get rid of my hiccups whenever they start. There are other videos on getting rid of hiccups which may or may not have this information. I haven't really done enough of any kind of research, but I just wanted to share this with you anyway. And if this helps you, then please tell your hiccuping friends what to do. Thank you for watching, and until my next video, bye.